Hello, Dada Saheb Phalke Film Festival.
Hello, Tharsa Phalke Awards of 2021.
Hi, everyone who is taking part in 11th Dada Saheb Phalke Film Festival.
Hello everyone.
Hi to 11th Dada Saheb Film Festival 2021.
Actually, The Vulture is based on a real life incident that happened in the Warangal district of Telangana. So basically, I came across this news article during the lockdown last year. So after reading the article and researching more about the incident, I was very intrigued by it. It was basically a crime incident, so I was intrigued by the whole crime that happened in that particular area. So after researching a bit, I thought of making it as a film.
The only major roadblock that has come up, according to me, is finances. Pooling the budget and planning everything and making sure everyone comes together to be a part of the project, even though we could not give out remunerations and all. That's a major roadblock, according to me. Rest all we could be able to manage, and we didn't feel everything else as a roadblock. We felt that everything is a part of this filmmaking process.
The first hurdle that we actually got was Nakul was showing the mild symptoms of COVID, and we just took that as soon as we reached the hometown, and we didn't expect that. Well, it didn't quite stop us from doing our work. He was staying indoors, and he was taking his own precautions, and he was directing and guiding us where in the locations countings. It was his hometown, so he was showing us the places. He was directing us to the places, and we did all the location scouting and other things that we could take care of.
Managing a film in tough situations like COVID and the lockdown is quite difficult compared to the other times, and thankfully we took all the necessary precautions before we went for the shoot, and we had a particular number of crew members. We didn't go for many people. We shot with a limited crew, and we took enough precautions. And our executive producer Sriram Rayarao, he was excellent in managing the budget we got. He finished the film, or he helped us finish the film within the budget we had, and that was a great thing. Without his help, I don't think we would have completed this film in the budget we had.
Most challenging part of the shoot was shooting in the construction site. Almost 60 to 70% of the film was shot at this construction site. We required shots of the civil workers working in the site, so it was really challenging. Most of the workers were looking into the camera, and there was unnecessary crowd gathering. So we tried to hire few local interns. They were really helpful to manage the crowd and everything. So we got the shots which we required for the shoot, and we are really thankful to them.
We made this short film to screen it in the festivals. Our intention was not to make it like a mainstream film, so we tried to be as artsy as possible in our filmmaking approach, and we wanted to screen it in the festivals. Our target audience was the festival audiences, and we are glad that we are being received very well in all the festivals that we have screened the film. People who like to watch realistic cinema, or people who love crime dramas, can watch our film. I don't know whether they like it or not, but I'm hopeful that they'll be engaged throughout.
I am grateful for the jury for picking our film at Dada Saheb Phalke Film Festival.
Thank you so much, Dasa Phalke Film Festival, for awards. We are really thankful for recognizing our work and shortlisting our work.
I am feeling very very happy and proud to be part of this film, and now it got selected for 11th Dada Saheb Phalke Film Festival, and I am congratulating the other filmmakers who got selected for this film festival, and all the very best to our team.
I would like to congratulate all the films that are selected to be screened in Dada Saheb Phalke Film Festival. Getting selected in such a prestigious festival itself is a honor for every filmmaker who are participating in this event. So I want to congratulate all of them, and I wish them all the very best. And I hope you guys like our film as well. Thank you.